How to fix like button on Facebook account is not working, so you cannot like anyone's picture or you cannot go get like on your page also. So if I go to like some picture here, as you can see, there is no option to like it because I'm facing the error right now. So my button is right now working, but what you can do if your like button is not working on your Facebook profile? Get back to the home screen of your laptop and simply refresh your laptop for 1 or 2 times. If you're facing an automobile, follow the same steps. I'm turning on my Wi-Fi and turning it off to refresh my network connection. This is to make sure that I have connected to a better and a fast network connection. After making sure that I have a better network connection, I will go to restart my PC or restart my mobile phone, and then I will again try to like someone's picture, and yes, it's working right now. So this is how you can solve this error. Thank you so much for watching the video.